Okay, so looking at the circuit board, we've got these set go together. The second set goes together, and the third set goes together. So this first set right here ends up on the lower level SCR, right there. Right in the middle of those. So not on the edges, but right in the middle. And then this set right here would end up on this second SCR in there. Cover's not on, but basically if you get that first one right, you just copy this one so it's like lower, upper rear, upper front. If it doesn't fire up, those leads are just reversed. So what I do after I hook it up, I make sure we got the 24 volts firing right there. I'll come in here, make sure I got a thermocouple in there. Right now I'm simulating the thermocouple. But I just fire this guy up. And then I go, okay, let's give it some power. And then it's rolling, and I can tell, remember we got the LEDs to tell whether they're on or not. So, that's pretty much it. I just zero these out. Zero this out. Oh, not 1,000. Zero. All right, so this is how I tell that I got the lower one in the right position. So I'm gonna fire this up. It's on, and only one LED should be on. Let's see which one it is. So yeah, this one's wired backwards. So it's the upper front that's on this one. So basically you can just go in here and try to figure out which one's wired to where just by zeroing these out and then going and running it. Generally the biggest thing I have happen when I first wire it up is these are backwards. So if it doesn't fire, you just swap these two because plus and minus just got switched, and then you're rocking and rolling. All right, thanks Barry.